Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. I know you are here for weight loss and I know you are struggling. I know that weight loss is something that is really tricky and people get nuts over it. People get depressed. Unfortunately, lots of people also tend to give up on weight loss, but we have to remember one thing, like we have to be healthy. Our body needs to be a certain weight that it can support, right? And unfortunately today, there's just so many people who are overweight. And once you are overweight, it's hard to go back to having, a body that you're proud of and that you're healthy. So that's where Midlin comes in. And this is a dietary supplement that can basically unlock your metabolic power, and it helps you to lose weight naturally and also in a really healthy manner. So I will be leaving Mitolynn's official webpage in the description box of this video. Just remember one really important thing. If you are going to purchase Mitolyn, just get it from their official webpage, guys, because you make a safe purchase. You don't have frustrations in the future with it, and you also get great results, okay? Now, that's where the link is right here. So Mitolyn is actually this supplement that helps you boost your mitochondria function, and we all know that your mitochondria can help you burn fat and fuel every part of your bodies to keep it running smoothly and also to keep it healthy. So your mitochondria is actually an enzyme in your bodies that helps you maintain your energy and also helps you to keep your metabolic rate running pretty fast, right? And if you are not losing weight, then it's no doubt that your mitochondria functions level is actually really low. So the cool thing about Midlin is that this supplement contains 6 dietary ingredients. They're all natural, they're all for calorie burning, and all of them help you boost up your mitochondria. Its main ingredient is the Maki Berry, which is this fruit that is really rich in antioxidants and it's really powerful. But Maki Berry also helps you to maintain your hearts very healthy, and it helps you to control your cholesterol levels. Amongst these ingredients, there's also amla, which is known as a Indian fruit. There's also theobroma cacao, chisandra, astaxanthin, and rosea. Now, these are all natural ingredients. They are superb. They are powerful. They help you with your vision. They help you with your skin. They have antioxidants in it, anti-inflammatories. They help you with digestion. So at the end of the day, it's not just about losing weight, right? Even though it's something that we truly want. But it's also about maintaining your body's healthy, because you're losing weight here. Your body is turning into this fat burning powerhouse. So you need to stabilize it in order for it to be healthy and also give you great results and you feel good about it. So the cool thing about Midlin is that this also helps you to improve up your mood, reducing your stress and reducing your anxiety, because we all know that the minute we are too stressed out, it's really hard to achieve something right that minute. And it's cool because this also helps you with your cognitive abilities. So you're getting lots and lots of support, guys. So the minute you start using Midlin, just take it seriously. It's a capsule a day and you're good to go. It's a formula that's 100% natural. There's no side effects, no contraindications. And hey, it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So all you got to do is pretty much remember to take that tiny capsule each and every day through 3 or 6 months, okay? So pop over to their official webpage to learn more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.